This video is about the installation and testing of Dots.TTS. Let me first play a sample from my local system. I have given this model this reference prompt audio. This is my own
Joy
voice.
is found in simple moments of gratitude, and true contentment comes when we truly value the small blessings we already have in life.
And this is a reference text. I have given it this passage from David Attenborough and it has cloned it in my own voice. Let me play that.
The natural world is the greatest source of excitement, the greatest source of visual beauty, the greatest source of intellectual interest. It is the greatest source of so much in life that makes life worth living.
So not only the voice cloning is quite good, but at the same time, some of the prosody is actually good. There are mistakes in pronunciation and few other things, but I think the model is not bad. At the moment, it is consuming over 6 gig of VRAM, plus it is running locally on my system. If you're also looking to run it locally, all you need to do is to run these commands as you can see here. I have just put in a radio interface on top of it, which you just saw. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. We already have covered their OCR model, and in this video not only we are going to test it out on around few languages because it supports around 107 languages. Plus I'm also going to unpack its architecture in as simple words as possible. So let's get started. Also, if you are looking for weekly AI updates, I have just started this free newsletter. All you need to do is to go to the homepage of channel or in the first pinned comment, go to fahadmirza.substack.com and subscribe for free. Okay, let's go back to that interface and let's try out a multilingual prompt. So for this second test, I have gone with Portuguese. Let me play the original.
Segundo informações,
Okay, my apologies. So the reason is that I am actually logged in through my VNC client to this remote server. So I will just play it in my browser for you.
segundo informações, ele estava na casa dos 20 anos. Em uma declaração, Bieber disse que, embora eu não tivesse presente
So this was the original one, and I also have given it that reference text, and it should now generate that audio which you can see on your screen. Let me play the resultant one.
em Montreal, direção do Aswell, e estava na casa dos 20 anos.
So I think voice cloning is very good. I mean, it's a exact same voice, um, pronunciation and other nuances of the language. Please let me know in the comments. Let's do few more languages. Next is Arabic. Let me play the original.
تشكلت في المحيط الأطلسي اليوم 10 عاصفة مسماة لموسم الأعاصير الأطلسية العاصفة شبه الاستوائية جيري.
Okay, let me play the resultant.
لعالم طواي هو أعصاب مصدر للإثارة وللجمال البصري وللاهتمام الفكري.
So you see, the voice cloning looks pretty good both for male and female. By the way, all of these original voices, these are the audio clips from Google's Flirt dataset, which we use normally for the benchmarking, and I really wanted to give credit to them. And these are all natural human voices. Before I do the next language, let me quickly take you to its architecture and let me unpack that in as simple words as possible. So this diagram tells you the whole story. This the model name contains SOAR. SOAR stands for self-corrective alignment refinement. It is a post-training stage that makes the model stick closer to the text and the cloned voice. And this diagram is showing how this dots.tts SOAR turns text into speech by cloning a voice. You feed it two things, the text you want spoken and a short audio clip of the voice you want to clone, and that is what we did earlier. The reference audio goes into the audio variational autoencoder, which compresses it into a compact mathematical representation. and from that a speaker encoder called cam++ extracts a voice fingerprint. Meanwhile, your text flows through a semantic encoder and into a smaller LLM based on Qwen 2.5, which figures out what the audio should sound like moment by moment. Then a flow matching head, which is essentially a mini diffusion model, takes the LLM's instruction plus the voice fingerprint and generates the audio one small patch at a time in a loop, which is the autoregressive part. Once all the patches are done, the audio variational autoencoder decoder converts them back into a real 48 kHz waveform you can actually hear. The SOAR variant adds self corrective alignment on top of all of this, which just means it was trained on extra round to stay closer to both the text and target voice without slowing anything down. So, this is the whole architecture of this dots SOAR stuff. Let me take you back. Let's now check out the German. Let me first play the original.
Hongkong sollten sie die Insel verlassen und zum gegenüberliegenden Ufer von
And I know that the voice is a bit low here, but that is what I got from the dataset. Let me play the generated one.
überliegende Ufer von Kowloon fahren. Die Naturwelt ist die größte Quelle der Aufregung, der visuellen Schönheit und des intellektuellen.
As far as voice cloning is concerned, again, I think it has done a real good job here. And now let's try out Slovak language. Let me play the original.
Madagaskar je zďaleka tým najväčším a je sám o sebe kontinentom, keď ide o divokú prírodu.
Let's play the resultant.
Prírodný svet je najväčším zdrojom vzrušenia, vizuálnej krásy a intelektuálneho záujmu.
That looks really good, the voice cloning. And now let's do Hindi. Let me play the original.
कुछ अणुओं में अस्थिर केंद्रक होता है, जिसका मतलब यह है कि उनमें थोड़े या बिना किसी झटके से टूटने की प्रवृत्ति होती है।
Let's play the resultant.
प्राकृतिक दुनिया उत्साह, दृश्य सौंदर्य और बौद्धिक रुचि का सबसे बड़ा स्रोत है।
So you see, pretty good. And that is Dots TTS for you. They also have a playground if you want to test it out without installing it. A fully open source, zero shot voice cloning model that runs locally, supports 107 languages, and delivers quite a good speaker similarity at just 2 billion parameters. I will drop the link to its Hugging Face card in video's description. Check it out. Let me know what do you think. If you want to help out the channel, please become a member, and a huge shout out to all of these members of the channel. They keep the lights on. Also, for any AI updates, please follow me on X. Thank you for all the support.